Hi, my name is Nick Sloffer, Director of Pharmacy here at PHP, and today I want to show you how to price a medication using our new Price a Medication tool on the PHP website. If you log into the PHP website, click on Pharmacy and Price a Medication, you'll be taken right to the ESI website where you can check prices on any of your prescriptions. I'll quickly give you an example. So let's look at irbesartan, generic Avapro, a drug for blood pressure. And you'll put in your zip code and click Get Prices. And then you'll get a list of pharmacies in that area and what that medication would cost for a 1-month supply or a 3-month supply. And you can see at Walgreens it'd be $13.53 or $40.01 for a 3-month supply. Pretty comparable. Mail order would be $40.01 also for a 3-month supply. But as I look further down, I can see that Kroger Pharmacy, while still around $13 for a 1-month supply, would be just $20.96 for a 3-month supply. So if I chose to, I could get that at Kroger and save around $20 every 3 months. So want to encourage you to use this tool to find out if you might be able to save money on your prescriptions as well. If you ever have any questions on any of this, give us a call here, 260-432-6690, extension 339 for pharmacy customer service. Isaac, Sierra, or myself will answer, and we'd love to help you. Have a great day. Thanks.